Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English for Beginners podcast. My name is Sarah. I'm very happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about something very important: how to enjoy learning English and not feel afraid. Many people feel shy, nervous, or scared when they try to speak English. They worry about making mistakes or sounding wrong, but don't worry. You are not alone. Every learner feels this way sometimes. Today, I will give you some simple and helpful tips to make you feel better and stronger. Let's begin. First, remember that making mistakes is okay. No one speaks a new language perfectly at the start. Even children make mistakes when they learn their first language. Mistakes are part of learning, so don't feel sad or stop speaking because of one mistake. Smile, try again, and learn from it. Second, learn English in a way that you enjoy. Do you like music? Listen to English songs. Do you like stories? Try simple English stories or audiobooks. Do you like cartoons or movies? Watch them with English subtitles. When you enjoy the way you learn, it becomes easier and more fun. Next, try to speak English every day. You can speak with your friends, your teacher, or your classmates. You can also talk to yourself in the mirror. Say what you see around you or talk about your day. Even if it's just 5 minutes, that's great. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. Also, try writing simple things in English. You can write about your day, your plans, or your favorite food. Writing helps you remember words, improve grammar, and organize your thoughts in English. Reading is helpful too. Start with short and easy texts like children's books or simple news articles. Reading helps you learn how English sentences work and teaches you new words. And one more important point: don't give up. Learning a new language takes time. Sometimes you feel slow, but you are moving forward. Be patient with yourself. Take small steps every day. You are doing better than you think. Now, let's talk about some important words from this podcast. The first word is mistake. A mistake is something that is not correct. Example: I made a mistake, but I learned from it. The second word is confident. Confident means feeling sure and strong. Example: she feels confident when she speaks English. The third word is journey. A journey means a long trip or path to a goal. Example: learning English is a journey. The next word is progress. Progress means getting better or moving forward. Example: he is making progress every day. The last word is enjoy. To enjoy means to feel happy and have fun doing something. Example: I enjoy watching English videos with subtitles. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning. You are doing great. See you next time. Goodbye.